Swipe, 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 swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands.
What's going on, guys? In this box right here, I have over $1,000 worth of YOUNGLA clothing. Today, we're gonna be unboxing it and getting a juicy chest workout in wearing the new fit. Why did I buy all this clothing? Well, long story short, my wife and I just got done with a cross-country move from Idaho to Florida, so I had to get rid of about half of my wardrobe. And honestly, it gets pretty old wearing the same clothes every single day. I have known about YOUNGLA for a while, and some of the YouTubers that I watch promote YOUNGLA clothing. They love it, and they say great things about it. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna check it out. So I went on the website, and I'm looking through all their stuff. I'm like, dang, this stuff is sick. They have shirts, tanks, joggers, backpacks, all kind of crazy cool stuff. So I'm sitting down on my couch going through the inventory they got online, and I'm like, dang, this stuff is insane. So I figured, why not upgrade my complete wardrobe and start fresh? This is over $1,000 worth of YOUNGLA clothing. I think the total exactly came to like $1,083, but I used a 50% coupon from Lex Little on YouTube. It got 50% off the order, so it came down to like 900 something. And of course, once I get it open, I'm gonna try some of the stuff on, let you guys know what I think about it, how it feels. Let's get into it. All right, got my trusty little sword. Let's get into this. Jeez. So this box actually weighs 23 pounds. 23 pounds worth of stuff in here. Holy heck. Oh my gosh. That's legit. Dang. So first off, packaging is on point. This one looks like, these are the joggers. Nope, it's a sweatshirt. All right, so this is one of the ones that I was really looking forward to. This is the cream color sweatshirt. This thing looks fresh. All right, so here's the packing order. Dang. Next up, I ordered some of their hats. I think they look pretty sweet. YLA. I ordered a black and white. Jeez. This one is gonna be absolutely awesome because I'm gonna be rocking this one during the warm days of Florida. All right, so this is the one that I ordered that was the extra large. I'm gonna use this as a pub cover. This is the 518 in white, extra large size. Oh my, I can't even explain how soft this is. The YOUNGLA script on the back. Literally gonna feel like Snow Yeti in the gym with this thing. Definitely gonna get some good pumps going. Wow. High quality. The boxer briefs, I'm really looking forward to these things. And now that I've been dieting down, my underwear does not fit anymore. And I guess that's kind of a good thing. Definitely losing some body fat. I started at 233 pounds and we're down to 209 right now. Another pair, I ordered 6 total underwear. Oh, I'm getting tired going through this, guys. I got a lot of variations of the black t-shirts because I do like plain black t-shirts, they're pretty sick. This one is a gray one. Also got the swoop as well. Boom. Another black large, another black large plain t-shirt. We're not even halfway through this, guys. Blue flannel. The buttons on this are like glass. Wow. Large tank. This is another one. Same tank top. Wow, that is sharp. Literally cannot wait to wear these, guys. Working out is gonna be that much better because I know I'm gonna be looking good, feeling good, and wearing a brand that is kicking some butt right now. This one I thought was pretty sick. It's got the blue writing on the back. I think this was on sale. It was only like 20 something bucks. This is the green and the tan with the rocket on the back. We still got more, guys. Another large black t-shirt. I think I ordered like 6 large black t-shirts. Tie-dye pattern with the joggers. Wow. All these clothes have some weight to them. You can tell they're built with quality. These are the ones with the pockets on there. Swim shorts. We're here in Florida now, so definitely gonna be doing a lot more swimming. Those joggers, nothing beats working out in a nice set of joggers. It's the last one in this box. This is the backpack that I ordered. It's the brown leather. I think it looks absolutely sick. I'm on the notifications list for the duffel bag to be back in stock. Talk about packaging. So not only is it protected by a fabric bag, but it's protected by a plastic bag and a fabric bag with a drawstring on it. Louis Vuitton or YOUNGLA? I can't tell. Even smells luxury. It smells like luxury. You walk into like a Gucci store, Louis Vuitton store, it has a smell. That's what this backpack smells like, guys. Got the gold. I'm gonna go throw a couple of these things on, guys, let you know what I think about, what they feel like. Let's get into it. All right, so first impressions, guys. Amazing quality. This feels super soft on my body. This is the green and cream tank with the black scripted swim shorts. They feel awesome around my legs. They're not too tight, they're not too loose, but they feel just right. I'm throwing on the snowman jacket. Feels like I am wearing a cloud right now, guys. Look at the quality of this thing. This is just awesome. It's so soft, feels so good. This is an extra large. I purposely oversized it because I want a sweet pump cover, something that I can move around in a lot, still feel good. Makes me look bigger. No, it feels really good, guys. This feels amazing. Okay, I found my favorite. This is the Miami short sleeve shirt. I think this is one of the first short sleeve shirts I've had that actually fits good around the collar and the arms. This thing is awesome, but it doesn't feel too tight. Like I can still go hit a workout in this dang shirt if I wanted to. Next up, an absolute match made in heaven, guys. These are the black joggers with the black and cream tank top. Literally makes me want to go hit a leg day right freaking now, or hit some sick chest and shoulders in this tank top. I think actually I might hit chest and shoulders in this tank top. Next up are these sky blue joggers with the black t-shirt. I have about 7 of these, one for every day of the week because I love wearing black t-shirts. Feels good around the arms, fits the shoulders, true to size. That's the one thing I can say about YOUNGLA so far is everything has been true to size. Everything fits absolutely amazing. If I had known that these clothes were gonna fit this good, I probably would have bought the entire store, like one of everything. I can say one thing for sure. This clothing is definitely gonna get me even more motivated to lose fat because these clothes are fitted to your body. They feel amazing when you're wearing them. And right now I am like, oh my gosh, I am so ready to lose fat, get the V-taper, because these clothes honestly just feel good. I'm gonna call that a day for trying on stuff. I'm gonna put my dream outfit on and we're gonna go ahead and get to the freaking gym, get a juicy chest, shoulder, and tricep workout in. Cannot wait to work out in these clothes, guys. Let's go. Today is a push day, so I ate a little bit extra carbs. Definitely gonna feel pumped with this workout. I'm gonna hit shoulders, chest, and triceps today. About to hop out the car, head in the gym right now. Let's go.
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Swerving, making plays, cool Ferrari red. Never out my zone, touchdown in my hands. Only fam around me, I can't have no friends. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. Ever since I was a teen, had prices on my head. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands.
All right, the workout was freaking amazing. I had my YOUNGLA tank on. That thing fits absolutely mean. It's kind of like a stringer style, presses your lats. So that was kind of cool. First time I've ever worn a tank top like that before. The pump was insane, hit chest, shoulders, and triceps. Felt really good and got some really sweet clips. So now we are headed to Fresh Kitchen. Why Fresh Kitchen? Because when Rich Piana lived in Tampa, Florida, he recommended that you eat at Fresh Kitchen. I'll tell you that this YOUNGLA t-shirt, first time I've worn one of the black ones, it's got the swoop at the bottom, feels absolutely amazing. This is a size large. I'm 6'2", and right now I'm 210 pounds, so the large fits me very, very well. All right, we're at Fresh Kitchen now. Not gonna lie, this place is a vibe. They got the lights, they got a sign that looks like the word F-U-C-K. I think they did that intentionally, honestly. But yeah, this food is absolutely delicious. I'll show you guys what we ordered. To go, please. 2 of the sweet potato noodles, 2 servings of mushrooms, and I'm gonna do 1 serving of broccoli. At triple steak. You just got the fresh one out. There's no more guacamole.
Are they almost closed or something?
No, they're closed at 9:05. Really weird time to close, but. Do you have 2 scoops there? Is that possible? Yes, sir. That's it, man. Thank you, you too. Oh my gosh. So we got a pound lean steak, 2 scoops guacamole, double serving the sweet potato noodles, mushrooms, and broccoli. Let's dig in. I'm getting tapped out. I'm only halfway done. I will finish this though. It's gonna go straight to the triceps, chesticles, and the shoulders that we hit today. So right now I'm on 1900 calories, dieting down to 8% body fat. So this meal right here was my 1,000 calorie huge meal. I had 2 small meals this morning, around 500 and 400 calories. So this meal right here is a gift, is a luxury. Oh, baby, I'm so full right now. All right, 1,000 calories down. I finished everything but like a small bit of the noodles that were at the bottom of the bowl. But I ate all the guacamole, 3 servings of steak, which is around a pound, and absolutely full. Show the car real quick. This is the RS7 that we're currently driving right now. It's got 650 horsepower. It's fast, it's fun. But today I have a Audi R8 going in for an inspection. We went to the dealership last week and took a look at it. Beautiful car. It's black with the carbon fiber side blades. Absolutely beautiful car. So right now it's actually at the mechanic getting a 300-point inspection done on it. I should hear back tomorrow if it is a good car or not. If it checks out and everything looks good, we're gonna be trading in the RS7 plus a little bit of cash on top to buy the R8. Let me know what you guys think if you think we should trade this thing out.
I don't think so. Oh, I like it. Yeah,
It's like a freaking mom car.
well, maybe that's why I like.
You already have a mom car.
Yeah, let's get rid of it.
All right, well, that wraps up the day, guys. We did a full unboxing of over $1,000 of Young LA clothing. I am absolutely in love. I'm gonna be wearing their stuff every day. The next video coming out is going to be my full entire plan, how I'm gonna be dieting down to 8% body fat, giving you some tips, tricks, and things that I'm using right now to not feel hungry, to feel amazing, even though I'm at 1,900 calories. So if you guys wanna see that video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the little bell notification on, and hit the button that looks like this. All right, see you guys.